State lawmakers rejected a pitch to reinstate the death penalty here in Massachusetts. 22 News State House reporter Christine Lee standing by in Boston to tell us why some legislators believe the Boston Marathon bombings emphasized the need for capital punishment.
When it was struck down by the courts, but following the Boston Marathon bombing, some state lawmakers want to bring it back.
Everyone now is relieved that these terrorists, are going to be federally charged because he can get the death penalty. But what if he were not going to be federally charged? In Massachusetts, there would be no death penalty for him.
House lawmakers ultimately rejected a state budget amendment to reinstate the death penalty in Massachusetts. This after a bipartisan group of legislators highlighted the need for capital punishment following the Boston Marathon bombings and the shooting death of an MIT officer.
You know, people have been talking about we have to protect our officials, we have to protect the police. This is the time to step up to the plate and do it.
The death penalty amendment was filed days before the bombings. Lawmakers say it targets killers who murder police officers, judges, and public officials or commit acts of terrorism. But it also applies to drug trafficking offenses. Many Western Massachusetts lawmakers do not support capital punishment.
There's something just moralistically about taking someone's life that just isn't right.
Doesn't belong in a budget debate. If there are lawmakers here who believe that this should be part of Massachusetts general law, then they need to file a bill and go through the process.
The State House of Representatives also voted overwhelmingly against reinstating the death penalty in 2007 and 2005. State legislators who oppose capital punishment say it's costly and doesn't deter crime. Live at the State House, Christine Lee, 22 News.